Today we're going to be talking about two improv games that can be used for children of all abilities, one of which we don't need to speak and one of which does involve some verbal communication, but that can be adapted using the previous game as the adaptation. So these two games are Pass the Emotion and Oppotone. Pass the Emotion is where you have a strong emotion like sad, and you use just physicality and your face to show sadness, and you show that to the individual you are playing the game with, and they embody that emotion and start feeling sad. And then they pass you back an opposite emotion, like happy. And then you embody that feeling, that facial expression with happy. And you can keep going down a circle if there's a group, or just go back and forth between the two of you and kind of explore what is the opposite of excited? What is the opposite of scared? And you can kind of go from there with the emotion talk. And then the second game, Oppotone, is where an individual gives you some news, either good news or bad news. Let's say bad news, like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, I just crashed into your car. Then you would have to respond with the opposite tone that you would normally respond with, using the same words you would maybe say. So instead of saying, oh no, that's terrible, you crashed my car, you might say, oh no, that's so terrible, you crashed my car, and use this happy tone versus the kind of flustered tone. And then if I got good news, like I just gave you $1 million, you could respond with, thank you so much, or thank you so much, instead of thank you so much, that's amazing. And you just play around with that opposite tone. And these can be played and adapted for all abilities. And thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed Pass the Emotion and Oppotone.